Good morning and welcome. You are watching Market Cafe on ET Now. I'm Nupur and joining me is Ankita. Well, over the next half hour, we're going to be bringing you all the global cues as well as what's expected in the Indian market. So let's begin with looking at how the US is faring. Well, the S&P 500 futures were little changed Thursday night as traders are awaiting the release of the July jobs report. So that's going to be in focus today as far as the US is concerned. Now, the S&P 500 futures have gained about 0.04%, while Dow Jones Industrial Average futures have lost about 17 points or 0.03%. The Nasdaq 100 futures seem to have climbed over about 0.3%. Now, Wall Street, of course, is coming off a losing session as an increase in oil prices is weighing on equities. Now, the Dow fell more than 460 points or 0.9%, breaking a 5-day winning run. The S&P 500 slid 0.2%, while the Nasdaq Composite dipped about 0.1%.
All right, let's take a look at the rising crude prices also. Well, yes, we do see an uptick coming in as far as the crude prices are concerned. Brent crude is trading with gains of 1%, 83.32 is where that is trading at, and WTI is trading with gains of 0.8%, $77.95 per barrel is what it's sitting at. Now, these worries come over the supply disruptions after Iran published a restrictive draft plan for the Strait of Hormuz. And according to the apparent draft plan published by Iran, the country would ban US and Israeli ships from transiting the strait until compensation is paid. And other nations that have harmed Iran would also not be allowed to transit according to the draft. So that's on the back of that, we do see oil prices that remain elevated, and that is having an impact on the Asian markets as well. If you look at the Asian handover, a sea of red is what we see coming in on this Friday morning. We have Nikkei that's down at 1.3%. We have Chinese markets, Hang Seng that's down 0.1%. Shanghai is also trading down 0.3%. S&P ASX 200 is also down 0.1% right now. So a sea of red that's coming in, and look at the implied start of Nifty, also a gap down start of almost 100 points is what Gift Nifty is also indicating towards.
And let's move back to what we are seeing in the US now. Well, weekly initial jobless claims rose modestly to 199,000 for the week that ended the 1st of August, increasing by 1,000 from the previous week, but remained below market expectations. Economists had forecast about 202,000 new claims, which makes the latest reading another sign of continued resilience in the US labor market. Now, claims have now remained below 200,000 for a third straight week, and the 4-week moving average has fallen to the lowest since September of 2022.